All right, we're going to learn how to sign up for SimBucket today. And so the first thing you're going to do is go to simbucket.com, type that in, and then when you get there, you're going to click on Go to the Sims right here. And then when you go to the Sims, the next place, you're going to click here on this pencil, the one that says ChemThink Atomic Structure. After you click on that, you're going to scroll down here to this pencil where the arrow is. Start that, and what it's going to do is it's going to prompt you to create an account for yourself. So you're going to go ahead and create an account, select that you are a student, and then put in the class code I gave you. For 4th period, the class code is 28859416. Do not click I would like to sign up by myself. Do not. Make sure you sign up for our class code. That way everything you do will be saved. And then once you're done typing it in, click the little question mark and it'll pop up with my class. So again, this is for period 3. Then you put in your student ID, your name, and all that good stuff, your email address. You can use your school one if you like. You create a username and a password for yourself. Okay? And then click Create an Account. From there, once you're done with that, you'll be able to get into the assignments, and the assignment you're looking for is atomic structure. And go ahead and go through it with the worksheet. All right, but every time you see a question mark pop up, type your item in and then click it, and it'll click a check there. You won't be able to pass through here without several question marks. All right, good luck.